Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving our LeetCode problem number 2549, count distinct number on the board. This is very interesting mathematical observation problem. Here the final solution just become just one line of the code. So let's start with the code. Let's start with the problem statement. We are given an integer n. Initially only a number n is written on the board. Every day for every number x on the board, we can add a number I such that x modulus I is equals to 1. We continue this process every day. Our task is to find how many distinct number we finally appear on the board. The main observation is for every number greater than 1 can be evenly generated, all smaller number down to 1. And finally, all number from 1 to n minus 1 can appear. So total distinct number become n minus 1. But there are some special cases. If n equals to 1, then no new number can be generated. So the answer become 1. So the logic is simple. If n is 1, the answer is 1. Otherwise, answer is n minus 1. Let's move with the code. If n equals to 1, return 1 or return n minus 1. And this is the code for this much code specify all these type cases. We first check if n equals to 1 because when only 1 is present, no new number can be generated. So return 1, otherwise n minus 1, because all the number from 1 to n minus 1 can appear on the board. Suppose if there is 5, the outcome can be 1, 2, 3, 4. The outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the total distinct number is 4, which is solved by n minus 1. N minus 1 means 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. The output is 4. The time complexity is O into 1 and place complexity is also O into 1 because we directly return the answer. So that was the solution for LeetCode 2549.